Welcome back to Cucina Catarina. So you remember we made this wonderful almond milk. Well, it's almost all gone, so it was a big hit. And we saved the pulp in a sealed glass jar. And this is the key because you don't want it to go bad. It will, turn very, very quickly. So you want to use it within 48 to 72 hours. So we're going to put this meal into our food processor, and we're going to make what I call almond hummus. There's a lot of people that don't do well with legumes. Traditional hummus is made with garbanzo, or also known as chickpeas. It's the same vegetable, but they're very hard to digest. So we're going to use all the same ingredients that go into traditional hummus, but we're not using the bean for the density. We're using the almond meal, and of course it's high in protein. So the first thing we're going to add is about a tablespoon or two of raw tahini. This is sesame seed butter. Then we have the juice of one beautiful Meyer lemon. And then we have the olive oil that has garlic in it. So that'll give us our garlic flavor, because I don't do well with raw garlic, but I want the essence and I want the flavor. And then if we need it thinned out a little bit, we can add some of the last of this almond milk. So let's plug in our food processor. It's got to have electrical power. We're using our regular blade to blend this together. And you can see it's really dry. So while it's running, there we go. We're going to drizzle in some of the almond milk. There's still quite a little bit of pulp at the bottom. Now we're going to scrape it down. Oh goodness, it smells wonderful. And you can see if you come closer, it's almost there. Because you want a dip kind of consistency. You want to taste it. It definitely needs more olive oil. It definitely needs more tahini. And then I'm going to put a good healthy crack of pink salt. And we'll spin it again. There, you can see now it's becoming like a dip. So let's taste it. See what it needs. You're going to scrape down the sides. Take another little taste. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Good,
I'm a really good cook. I'm a
really
good cook.
So delicious.
Thanks for watching.
That is such a good recipe.
Mm-hmm.
Because